It's all about the children. Look at those smiling faces. Their souls have been all collected. This poor guy, he doesn't have a soul anymore. There's the guy right there. That's the soul collector. Mr. T, I call him. Some calls it a sling blade, I calls it a soul collector. Geyser blade. Got any mustard for them biscuits? Anyway, that's my pal Terry, and he's getting ready to collect a whole shitload more souls. I'll just watch him come on to her here. That's your big block Chevy. That's your one of them Cadillac hearses. But we'll have to buy the air for those tires. Away he goes. Beautiful weather here today.
Soul collector busy going into the bush once again. If you haven't had a chance to have a ride on Soul Collector, you should just step over that way. We're just moments away from the start of our features, ladies and gentlemen. Great to have you here in Capital City Speedway. We've had an awesome 50th anniversary season, and we are getting ready to get it on here. And, heading out of the track, our drifter cars. What a great job they did here today, putting on the drifting demonstrations. And we do thank them for coming up from Montreal to do their thing. What a great job they did.
That's awesome. Wish I had a school bus like that when I was going to school. Anyway, we'll sign off for now and resume taping.
Nice video, dude!
Right on, man! Soul collector rules!